Okay, so now we continue with the sum of terms of geometry progressions, hasil tambah bagi jangka geometri. Mana kita menggunakan persamaan ni. So just take note that this time you have different formula to use. It depends on the common ratio R. Common ratio. Okay, take note of this. If it's more than 1, then this is a formula to use. If it's less than 1, then this is the formula to use. Be careful of this. Use the correct formula. I know the formula is easy, but you must not use it wrongly. Some more is given in your reference equation list. So refer to it. Don't use it wrongly, because I have always also make the same mistake, especially like Rn minus 1, R minus 1. This one, sometimes student they write it as R minus 1 n over. So you see, this is the wrong. They think they remember, but actually they remember wrongly. So always double check before you use it. Anyway, let's go to the contour. Here, find the sum of each of the following geometric progression. Given the first few terms, but the first 5 terms I want to find S5. Okay, so teacher has already done it earlier. So you can see that R is less than 1. So what I'll do is S5 will be A is 3. So since it's R is less than 1, so I have to use 1. I have to use this one. 1 minus Rn. 1 minus 1 over 3. Power of 5. Power 1 minus 1 over 3. And just a matter of using your calculator. Again, do it carefully. 1 minus 1 per 3, which power 5. Okay, times 3. And then you divide by 2/3. And teacher get is 41 13 per 27. So this is the sum of the first 5 terms. For the next equation, okay, so here R, this one is greater than 1, so this time I will use the other equation. S5 equal to 3 over x 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 1, and this will give you, this one is quite straightforward, 32 minus 1 times 3 divided by 8. Okay, oops, let me see, 32 minus 1 times 3 divided by 8. So this one will give me 11 5 over 8. Okay, so this is how you use these two equations to find the sum. Be aware that like the example in arithmetic progression, the contoh di jenjang arithmetic yang mana kalau saya nak cari T sebutan 5, so dalam GP also can, we can use S5 minus S4. Okay, so this one you can also apply to jenjang geometry. Okay, also can use in GP. So it's already, I think you already know that. And there is another special case is this one, sum to infinity, hasil tambah ke kehinggaan. This one is a very popular questions in especially paper 1 in MS, where you have n approaching infinity. So that's why you put, because when you have a fraction, a over b is a fraction, and then n this one become infinity, so a over b actually approaching 0. So because of that, if you look at the Let me see, this one must be, you must remember this one, the R must be less than 1. So because of that, Sn equal to A, Rn minus 1 over 1 minus Rn, because less than 1. Okay, 1 minus R. So R is a fraction. So when n become here infinity, R infinity becomes 0. So because of that, then S infinity, the sum to infinity is A, because Rn already is 0 over 1 minus R. So that's why you get this equation. Now how to use this? Okay, this is one contour here, where you can see this application S infinity equal to 45 over 1 minus 1 over 5. So you get this one. A very simple application. This one, this is the one that teacher wants to talk about. This is a popular quiz question, because you have this yang decimal that is repeating. For example, here's for example here. So here 0.5. This is the first one, and you plus 0.063 plus 0.0063. So you can see the last one here is a repeating number. So what you do is you can, most likely they ask you to find it to the fraction or something like this. So here the R will be 0.0063 over 0.063. So this will give you 0.01. Let's check it first. 0.00063 divided by 0.063. Yes, it's 0.01. Then you input into the formula. This one, 0.063 over 1 minus 0.01. You get this, and you get this. That's it. Okay. So with this example, we end GP and we'll do some exercise after this. So I think overall AP and GP is quite simple. Just to be careful when you apply the questions formula, and of course when you do the question, you must first identify whether the question is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Tentu dulu supaya menggunakan rumus yang betul. Sekian, terima kasih.